Hi all, welcome to a new TikTok video. I received a package today, basically with a monitor mount, what do you want to call it. So that's what we're dealing with here. It's quite a big setup, so there'll be a lot of crawling around and basically a lot of unplugging, screwing, etc. I hope all the mounting screws are included in the mount. As you can see, I have my fan running here, so that might cause a little bit of background noise, and of course the computer. I'll try to edit this video and do time lapses of different processes I'm going through. I'll be doing the main work on the couch, like assembling the actual mount and mounting the monitors on it, and then we'll transport it to my desk and mount it on my desk. So that's the basic plan. I hope this video will be about 10, 15, 20 minutes long. Guys who follow me pretty much know me for my long form kind of content. I hate doing part 1, part 2, etc, etc. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll be filming it mostly from a tripod, so this is just a basic handheld intro, make it a bit more personal and stuff like that. But the box is laying right there. So first thing we gotta do is actually shut down my system, unplug all the monitors, unplug all the cables. Well, I'm basically assemble the mount, so let's dive into that. So yeah, stay tuned, have a lovely time watching, hope you enjoy the process. It will probably take me a few hours, so you get to see it in a few minutes. So yeah, well, let's dive into it. That's the box, of course. Let's open it up. There's the Logitech webcam. It's the same as I had. Only this one is a bit smaller packaged. Let's check that out first real quick. See if it actually comes with a privacy shutter. Yeah, it does come with a privacy shutter. So yeah, we'll lay this aside, we'll test it out if it works. Having two of the same Logitech webcams, I read that could be a problem, but I hope OBS won't be having too much difficulty with that. And then of course I have the Stream Deck to configure all the exposure and brightness and stuff like that, so I hope that'll work out fine. So this is the monitor stand. We'll unbox this here. Now, I can already tell there's a lot of assembling going on here. It's way heavy though. I had to call customer support basically because these two parts didn't make any sense at all to me. Turns out they were used when you're actually drilling through your desk, so we won't be needing those.